Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Sir Rahimi and my fellow friends. Today we are going to present about the network cabling. Firstly, I will introduce myself. My name is Natasha binti Mesri.
My name is Putra Aida Natasha binti Nadur Hisham.
My name is Nur Aisyah binti Zahari.
My name is Nur Azira Shazrina binti Abdul Rashid.
My name is Muhammad Amir Faiz bin Muhammad Idrus.
Now we will explain to you about two types of cable, which is straight cable and crossover cable. Straight cable is a cable that can connect to other devices such as like computer and printer.
For the second type of cable, which is crossover cable, they are used to connect two computers. For example, computer 1 and computer 2.
Okay, now we show you the tools that we use for network cabling. Okay, first is crimper. This is the crimper. Second is RJ45. Okay, third is the cable.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In these sessions, we are going to demonstrate a step on how to produce a network cabling. The first step is we must cut off the skin of the cable. Use the crimper. Okay. As we can see, this is the cable. There are many colors. Okay. The next is we arrange the cable according to the as stated. Okay, the first one is orange and white color. The next one is orange color. The next is green and white color. The next is blue color. The next is blue and white color. The next is green color. Brown and white. Okay, the next is last is brown only. Okay, after we had arranged the wire according to the color, the next step is we must cut the cable to make sure it's shorter, to ensure it can enter into the RJ45, because if the wire cable is too long, it won't enter. And then we take RJ45.
Now we are going to do the same thing of the other side of the wire.
Now we are done for network cabling.